Welcome to the Divorcier's Tip of the Week. So last week I talked a little bit about some of the things to look for when getting a referral for your attorney. Now I'm going to start to address issues that are of most concern once you've hired legal counsel, and that is the cost of the legal bill. And sometimes you have control over certain aspects of it, and sometimes you're being asked to respond to requests by your spouse's attorney that unfortunately you can't control. But you can control your own costs to the best extent possible. And do this by limiting the amount of time that you spend speaking with your attorney or emailing your attorney or being in front of your attorney. So in order to do that, you need to be very organized. Try to consolidate all your questions. Maybe put them into one email at the end of the day. What I do sometimes, because often we'll be in a moment where we're anxious and we need to know an answer, is create an email on your computer, but don't address it, so that you can put all your thoughts together and organize them. And then maybe at the end of the day, when you reread them, you'll see whether you were able to find the information so you don't need to address your attorney, or you can take the emotion out so you've just got a few points to give to your attorney. So the less is more. The more focused your questions are, the faster your attorney will be able to respond to them. The other thing is being proactive about getting information to your attorney. As we talked about, the statement of net worth is one of the first documents that you're going to need to provide, and that involves collecting a lot of information. You want to make sure that when you return that document to your legal counsel, that it is as complete as possible with as much backup as possible. Because every time your attorney asks you for something else, they're going to charge you. So if you can be proactive, you can have the information ahead of time to provide to the attorney, and I would collect it all at once as opposed to sending it piecemeal. Again, you're adding another layer of cost where your attorney now has to organize everything. So keep these two things in mind for starters, and they will definitely help you reduce the costs that you will have of your legal bill. So again, one is to be organized about the questions that you ask. Try to send the least amount of emails with the most focused and organized questions you can. And the other is to make sure that whatever information is requested of you, that you provide it in as most complete a fashion and organized a fashion as possible. If you're having difficulty staying organized in the face of all the overwhelming emotions around divorce and you'd like a little support, please feel free to sign up for a free consultation at my website, thedivorcierge.com, or email me at karen@thedivorcierge.com. I'll see you next week.